Shalom, shalom, shalom. Good morning, beautiful people. This is Chevelle in my backyard garden. I am in my greenhouse and I am checking on my plants because it was a little cold last night. For the next 2 nights, it's going to be cold and they are still growing well. I have no problems out of them in here. I normally have the little side windows open, like right here, but I closed them. And now I am having little buds coming up on my peppers, so it's got to get warm pretty soon because I do see a couple of flowers there. And I got to